Okay, I think you have already finished the multiplication table. So now we will do the exercise 4.11. It is on your textbook, page 147. So this is our 4 different algorithm programs here. Please show the outcome of the following programs. Okay, so it's the nested loop, right? So we also have the inner loop and outer loop, right? So first, for I in range 1 to 5, not reach the 5, yeah, from 1 to 4 actually. And we make the j equal 0, while j is smaller than I, then print j, and with the end is 1 spaces and continue, right? So it seems like when I is the first one, right? And the j equals 0, then j is smaller than I, right? And we print j. So here, j will like 0, and with the spaces, and j will plus 1. When j plus 1, that j is 1. So j is no longer smaller than I, right? So it will quit the inner loop and back to the second. Yeah, the second part, the I will become 2, right? I will become 2. And the 0, j is 0. So while j smaller than I, because I now is 2, so it will print 0, and then spaces j equal 1, and spaces, and j, when j equal 2, it will quit the while, then it will continue when I equal 3. So the result will just like this. You know, first is 0 when I is first, right? 0. And the second one, when I is equal 2, then we will print 1, 0, 1. So we can use it. Sorry. I use this is, so this is for I equal 1, right? And this 0 is j here because j is 0, so print j. So this is j here, and this is for I equal 2 because j can't larger than I, and this part is for I is 3, and this part is for I is 4. Okay, hope you can understand. And then we'll move to the other one. It seems this part. Yeah, okay, this part. Okay, so we can guess why this will be this pattern. So first, I equal 5, right? I equal 5. When I larger than 1, yes, I actually larger than 1, and number is 1. For j in range from 1 to I plus 1. I now is 5, right? Now I now is 5. So I plus 1 equals 6. So it means the j will do 5 times from 1 to 5 because this part is 6, right? So it will print the number. Number here is 1. So this is the 1 here. And we will end the 3 triple x here. And then the number will multiple 2. The new number will equal the old number multiple 2, right? Yeah, multiple 2. And now he will back to here because it's still in this inner loop, right? So now the number multiple 2 is 2. Then j will equal to 2, right? So this is I, in this line, I is 5. I is 5. And here, j equal 1, then j equal 2, and j equal 3, 4, 5, right? And each time the number will multiple 2. So when we print the number and with the end of triple x, do it just like this. Yeah, this is for I equal 5, and this is for j from 1 to 5, right? And we print. This is a print means we will change the line back to here. And I minus equal 1. It means new I will equal the old I minus 1. So when we back to here, it is still in the while loop. So here y become 4, right? So this is for I become 4. And we will do the same j, but because I become 4, so the maxima is 5. So we will just do the 4 times. From this is I is 4, and this is j equal 1, 2, 3, 4. And then etc. This is I for 3, right? And of course, your j just do the 3, 1, 2, 3, right? And I equal 2, and j just do 2, because you have to from 1 to j plus I plus 1. So actually, here is when I 2, then is j is 3, but the range will 1 to 2, right? And this is I equal 1, right? I equal 1 because the while still true, so it's Boolean value, right? So we still do the same things and print until I become 0, and it will jump this while, so it will quit. So we can see here who control the inner loop. J control the inner loop because J belongs to the I, right? I is the outer loop, and outer loop will only do 5 times, but inner loop will, according to the out loop, every time you will do that until the limitation. Yeah, so it's the result of the C